Well, the IRS has extended the tax deadline for Texas residents until June 15th due to the disruption caused by February's winter storms. Many Texans looking for the best option to file their taxes now, either personally or by using a qualified tax preparer. Every year, tax-related scams increase during tax season, with the national extension to May 17th, coupled with the Texas-Louisiana extensions to June 15th. Scammers now have a greater time window to steal your money. And here to offer up some tips to keep us safe is Katie Galan with the Better Business Bureau. Katie, thank you for joining us. What type of scams is the BBB seeing right now?
Thank you for having me today. So with this extension, what that means for us, for the consumer, is that scammers have a larger window of time to take advantage of people. So some of the scams that we're seeing have to do with educational institutions. They're sending these emails to emails that have the ending of .edu, which is typically the type of email that you will receive if you're enrolled in college. And so they're sending these emails to these students and staff with the subject line of tax refund information. So, a lot of college students are probably looking for that extra cash, so they end up clicking on it. And what happens is it directs them to a phishing website, which is going to ask for their personal information. The tax preparer scam is somebody who is saying that they're preparing your taxes for you, somebody that you've hired. And what ends up happening is once it's time to send it off, they conveniently forget or refuse to sign. If they don't sign it, your return can't be submitted and you don't receive any kind of refund that you may have been receiving. So at this point, they already have all of your personal and financial information, and you may have possibly sent them a fee of some sort.
And how can Texans steer clear from scammers?
If it looks like you're receiving something that's coming from the IRS or Social Security or anything like that, the best thing to do is to ignore that, because what I like to tell people all the time, what BBB likes to tell people, is no government agency is ever going to contact you or solicit you via phone, text, or email. So if they ever need to get in contact with you for some reason, they will just send you a letter through U.S. Postal Service. So if you receive anything, don't click on it, block it, delete it, just don't respond to it in any way.
All good tips to keep in mind. Katie, thank you for all that information. And if you have a scam business or product that you have questions about or any concerns, be sure to log on to bbb.org for more. Stay with us. There's much more news at noon right after this.